This is Kevin with Pinehurst Websites, and I'm going to show you how to import products in less than 60 seconds on Shopify. So I've created an import spreadsheet, and the formatting is available on Shopify. The easiest way to figure out the formatting is to create some products in Shopify, and we'll do that in the next video. And then you can export them, and it'll show you basically what you need to fill out for an import spreadsheet. Shopify also has a free app for if you're importing from some of the major other platforms. So let's just go into Shopify and let's go to products. You want to go to the upper right hand corner and choose import. Choose your file, click open, and just upload and continue. It's going to show you a preview and if there's any errors, and then if everything looks good you can just import the products. You don't need to stay on this page while the products are importing, but as you can see, all the products have come through.